In the material editor, we can go and delete any of the materials we have created by selecting all the nodes of the material and pressing the delete key from our keyboard. If we delete a material that we have assigned to the scene, the material is no longer in the material editor, but it remains on the objects we have assigned it. If we want it back in the material editor to edit it, we will click on the Pick Material from Object command, click on the object, and now the material is back in here. Personally, once I am done with a material, I prefer to delete it from the material editor so that I have a clean surface here for my next material and I don't get distracted by the many nodes. But that's a personal choice. When you delete a material, what you should be careful of is to select the whole material. If you first select this node and delete it, then you change your material. You basically ask for the texture to be deleted and only have a color to your object. So let me repeat it. When you want to delete a material, make sure you select the full material with all its nodes before pressing the delete button.